Hello, Lami here. Welcome to the guide to using EBSCO's Library and Information Source database. I'm calling this a guide for your future selves because I realized that I wish I had used this database as a go-to when I started doing research in this program. I'm currently a student in San Jose State's MILS program, and this presentation is for my fellow students and incoming students in this program, the future us's. I've been using this database for over a year now, and I'd like to show how much great information you can access through this database. By now, you've figured out why you chose library science, but how will you focus your research studies? What other interests could you combine with your love of library science to create your groundbreaking, gap-filling, life-changing research? I want to share this database with you and explain why I recommend it for your LIS research. In the next video, I'll discuss a few tips that I hope you will find helpful when using the LISS database. I have found that I use this database more than any other database for the research that I've been doing in this MILS program. A lot of papers that you'll be writing while you're in library school or as a researcher in this field will have a multidiscipline focus. This database is a great resource for research that makes any kind of connection to libraries and their ancillary subjects. Most of the papers that you'll write in the MILS program will require that you reference the LIS field. This database is a great place to begin to find out what kind of research there is in the field and how it connects to other interests that you might want to research. For the past year and a half, the focus of most of my studies has been the intersection between public libraries and health literacy. This is just one interdisciplinary topic of the thousands possible. And this is a great database to use for this because of so much of the great research that is supported by the more than 480 full-text journals which are available under the umbrella of this library science database. Starting with the ILSS database, you can add topics of interest to your search to find if there are articles and materials in your area of study. Find out just how varied and diverse ILS work can be by exploring the articles you retrieve.